So we have this question. It says x is equal to root 3 plus root 2, and we have to find out x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay, so for this one, first we will find out 1 by x. So 1 by x equals to 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, now let's multiply both numerator and the denominator with root 3 minus root 2. So root 3 minus root 2, this is root 3 plus root 2, and this is root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so this will equals to root 3 minus root 2, and this will give us 3 minus 2. So eventually 1 by x is equal to root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so this is 1 by x. Now we have to find out x minus 1 by x. Okay, so is equals to root 3 plus root 2 minus root 3 plus root 2. So plus root 3 minus root 3 gone, will have 2 root 2. Okay, so this is x minus 1 by x cube. Sorry, 1 by x. So we have to find out x cube minus 1 by x cube. This equals to x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. Okay, so this value is 2 root 2 whole cube plus 3 multiplied to root 2. This equals to 16 root 2 plus this equals to 6 root 2, which is 22 root 2. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer.